Turkey has officially commenced the construction of 3 highly anticipated warships, a submarine, an aircraft carrier, and the first ship of the TF-2000 air defense destroyer series. The Turkish Defense Ministry's spokesman made the announcement during the weekly press briefing, which was subsequently shared on the ministry's social media platforms. As per the spokesperson, the steel-cutting ceremonies for the MUGEM and TF-2000 took place at the Istanbul Naval Shipyard, while the ceremony for the Milli Denizaltı meaning national submarine, was held at the Gölcük Naval Shipyard. The video released by the ministry indicates that Turkish Navy officials and representatives from the shipyards attended the ceremonies. According to Turkish Defense Ministry officials, these new projects bring the total number of naval vessels under construction in Turkey to 31. The Milden is a 2,700-ton, 80-meter-long diesel-electric submarine equipped with air-independent propulsion, AIP, technology for extended submerged endurance. The vessel will feature locally developed weapons, systems, and sensors designed to improve its operational depth and payload capacity. Simultaneously, the TF-2000 air defense destroyer project is taking shape at Istanbul Naval Shipyard. The project commenced in 2017, and its design has undergone multiple revisions. This new class of warship is designed to intercept both guided and ballistic missile threats while also offering the full spectrum of naval combat capabilities. The TF-2000 measures 149 meters in length and 21.3 meters in width, with a displacement of 8,300 tons. Its state-of-the-art CODOG propulsion system allows the ship to reach speeds exceeding 26 knots. In terms of armament, the TF-2000 is outfitted with a 127mm main gun, two 25mm remote-controlled weapon stations, and a 35mm Gokdeniz close-in weapon system for close-range defense. Among the 3 ongoing naval projects, the construction of the National Aircraft Carrier, MUGEM, is the most crucial. Once completed, MUGEM will elevate Turkey to an elite group of nations possessing aircraft carriers. It will improve the country's long-range strike capabilities and its ability to project military power. The Turkish Navy said that MUGEM will be an imposing vessel, measuring 285 meters in length, 75 meters in width, and featuring a 10-meter draft. With a projected displacement of 60,000 tons, it will be more than twice the size of Turkey's largest current warship, the TCG Anadolu. Its size and specifications are comparable to the Queen Elizabeth-class carriers. The MUGEM features a state-of-the-art hull design developed through a multi-dimensional optimization tool. This ensures exceptional seakeeping, stability, and maneuverability, making it adaptable to various sea conditions. Very few nations operate aircraft carriers. A total of 22 aircraft carriers are operational at present, with the US alone accounting for 11. China is second on the table with 3, followed by India, the UK, and Italy with 2 carriers each. France operates 1 nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, while Russia has 1 but remains inactive.